Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I have something really special to show you all. On my desk, I have the world's first THX certified headphones. They are none other than the Quad Driver earphones from OneMore. These are OneMore's premium quality top grade luxury in-ear headphones that come with 4 drivers in each of the earpieces. That means you've got a total of 8 drivers on this product. Holy smokes, that is insane, right? I'm super excited to see how they sound like. So the OneMore's Quad Driver earphones come in this sort of box packing. We've got a picture of the product over here. These are high-res certified earphones, and on the right side we've got some of its highlights. Let me show them to you. As I've told you, they've got 3 balanced armatures and 1 diamond-like carbon dynamic driver, all packed in a streamlined anodized aluminum sound chamber. And also guys, these OneMore earphones are expertly tuned by a Grammy award-winning sound engineer. I'm super excited to check them out. Let's see what else is written on the box packing. So at the back side we've got some product details and the specs of these earphones at the bottom. They are in-ear type earphones, weigh around 18.5 grams, have a frequency response range from 20 Hz to 40 kHz, the cable length is 1.25 meters, impedance is 32 ohms, and have a rated power of 5 milliwatts. So those are all of its specifications. Now let's get started with the unboxing. The box packing is pretty similar to OneMore's Triple Driver earphones. The outer cover slides out like this, and on the inside you've got another box with the OneMore branding on the front. The box looks just like a book and has a very luxurious design. There's nothing much written on it except the OneMore branding. Alright, let's open it and check out the earphones. Oh my god, are you guys seeing this? That is so cool! We've got a lot of artwork on the left side explaining the design of these earphones. If you guys are interested, you can just pause the video and read that. And on the right side we've got the Quad Driver earphones, and looks like we've got a huge number of accessories. The OneMore's Quad Driver come only in one color, which is the titanium variant. Alright, let me just cut this seal over here. I wanna thank OneMore for sending me this product for review. Here we go. So the Quad Driver earphones come nicely packed like this in the box. Let me take them out. Wow, we've got a nice leather travel case free along with the earphones. Just give me a second, I'll show you. So this is how the carry case looks like. It's got a premium leather finish and the build quality feels very good. It's actually the same case that you get along with the Triple Driver earphones. Okay, let me just keep it aside and show you the earphones. So this is how the OneMore's Quad Driver earphones look like. Before we go in detail, let me also show you the other accessories which we got in the package. You get a titanium color metal shirt clip with the OneMore branding, a high quality airline adapter so you can even use these earphones in flight, a gold plated 3.5mm to 1/4 inch jack pin adapter, 9 sets of different type of ear tips. They come in different sizes and materials, which also includes 3 sets of foam ear tips. You can choose the perfect one suitable for you. There's also a OneMore Bear sticker, a product catalog, and finally a user manual. Just make sure to read that for full info on the product. So these are all the items you got in the package. Now let me finally show you the earphones. So here are OneMore's top of the line premium quality Quad Driver in-ear headphones. They come in this beautiful titanium color and look very premium from my first impressions. The earphones weigh only around 18.5 grams, have a streamlined aluminum sound chamber with tungsten textured accents, and have a jet engine like design. You've got the OneMore branding as well as the left and right indications on both of them. And this is how its cable looks like. So let me just give you guys a closer look and talk about the design and the build quality. The OneMore's Quad Driver have a total of 4 drivers in each of the earpieces enclosed in an anodized aluminum sound chamber. It's got a jet engine like design with tungsten red accents all over it and gives it a premium look and feel. Talking about the drivers, it's got a diamond-like carbon driver which handles the mid-frequencies and the bass, 2 balanced armatures which handle the high frequencies, and a third balanced armature that takes care of the ultra-high frequencies. So all of these 4 drivers work together and produce uncompromised high-quality sound with dynamic power and definition. The build quality of the product is also top-notch. It's entirely made of anodized aluminum. Talking about the cable, it's got a high quality beautiful looking Kevlar core OFC cable that is super tough, flexible, and also tangle resistant. So going down, here's the inline remote control. Even this is entirely made of aluminum and has 3 buttons at the top: volume up, media play pause, and volume down. The quality of the buttons is nice, they feel tactile and clicky. And on the other side it's got a MEMS microphone. And this is its 3.5mm gold plated L-shaped jack. So that was about the design and the build quality of these earphones. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The One More Quad Driver have an ergonomic design, weigh only around 18.5 grams and feel very comfortable for long time usage. The noise isolation is also great. Since they have a 45-degree oblique angle shape, the earphones fit perfectly in my ears and do not fall off that easily. Now coming to the audio quality was so good, I instantly fell in love with these earphones. The sound quality just blew my head. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals sounded warm and mellow, and I could clearly understand the dialogues all thanks to its diamond-like carbon driver. It delivers outstanding mid-range and bass. Talking about the bass is very nice and punchy. It was not that overwhelming, but had the right amount of bass. And coming to the treble, it's got 3 dedicated balanced armatures that take care of the high frequencies. At first, you might feel like the treble is a bit high, but as you start using them, you'll gradually fall in love with these earphones. They were producing silky smooth treble. On the overall, the One More Quad Driver were offering balanced sound with excellent soundstage. You will love the audio on these earphones. They were so good that if you close your eyes and listen to the audio, you'll feel like the music was being played right in front of you. It was producing that realistic sound. The distortion was also very minimum even at max volume, and the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. As I've told you, they've got a built-in MEMS microphone, and the mic quality was really good during call conversations. So that was my review on One More's top of the line Quad Driver earphones. They're one of the best sounding in-ear headphones I've ever used till now. The build quality is premium, love the design, feels very comfortable and offer extraordinary sound. You will absolutely love these earphones. They cost around 13,500 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.